Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a pack with me. I am packing for Vegas and I am showing you a few of my outfit options, so I hope you enjoy. So this is the dress I'm going to wear to the club. It's just this cute like hot pink neon mini dress from Forever 21, and I think I'm gonna wear it with white heels. Let me put the heels on so you guys can see. And then I got these white earrings today from Target from the Sugar Fix Bauble Bar collection. And I think they tie in the white shoes really well. Just very much like a summer moment. Hopefully this looks better when I have makeup on, but yeah, so this is the outfit. The dress is only $17.90 from Forever 21. I don't have a back on this one, but just so you guys can get the feel for the look. This is what I plan on doing. So these are the shoes. These are Steve Madden. I ordered some stuff on Amazon. Foot pedals and ball of the foot cushions. Must have for Vegas if you're gonna be on your feet all night. So I'm gonna add these to my shoes now so that when I get there, they're already comfortable. So it's just some denim shorts and Steve Madden sandals, and then my Gucci fanny pack, which I love, especially if I'm doing a lot of activity or being somewhere that's crowded. Easy, I don't have to carry anything. Love it. Also, if I ate too much, just put it right here. Pretend I don't have a fupa going on. You know, don't mind everything that's on the floor. Just trying stuff on. So I think I'm gonna definitely pack these shorts and this t-shirt. Yeah, this is something simple, casual that I could probably wear just to walk the strip one of the days, or even have my swimsuit underneath. I don't know what else I want to pack. So this is another option. I got this like last year for a Vegas trip and I never wore it. It's a little bit loose on the skirt, but it should be fine actually. I think I might wear this to dinner. It kind of looks like it's just something casual, just like a skirt. It's actually a one-piece dress. Don't mind that background music. My boyfriend's brother is taking a shower and he needs to do a concert every time. So now I'm on to the most important part. I kind of didn't record all of it because I was taking too long, and I want to clean my room before I go to sleep too, so I come back to a clean space. But we're on to the most important part, like I said, which is packing my makeup and my brushes, and I need to make sure not to forget anything because somehow I always forget everything. So luckily I just washed my brushes and they're nice and clean. I also narrowed it down to the ones that I actually use and the ones that I just kind of skip over and taking up too much space, and then I can't find the brushes I actually use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take basically all of the ones that I put back in my thing after they were all dried, and I'm just putting them in here. Actually, I have a thing, but I don't know where it is. So I'm gonna put them in here for now, and if I find it before the night is over, because I actually have like a brush holder like this, like a regular size. This is for my mini brushes that I needed to use while my regular brushes were being washed. I don't like to take those when I travel because I feel kind of limited, and it's just easier to do my regular routine with my regular brushes, of course. So I'm just gonna take them all. I'm not limiting myself, and then I'll just leave my brushes that I don't use. I'm gonna obviously leave them here. And then now we're going on to the drawers, and my drawers are a hot mess, which I want to do a decluttering of my vanity video. So if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. So hopefully I can film that soon. So for now, I've just been living with it being a hot mess. So when I pack my makeup, I try to go in the order of how I put it on my face to make sure I don't forget anything, really is what it is. So I'm going to kind of unpile. So if you guys were to see my vanity right now, basically I had all of my palettes. I just have them thrown on top, so I have to take them off every time. And yeah, so I'm gonna start with making sure my beauty blender is in there, because one trip I did forget my beauty blender. Actually, it was for my graduation. I forgot my beauty blender and I had to do my makeup without one. So I basically did it with my hands because I didn't have a foundation brush either. That was interesting. So what foundation? Giving you guys a sneak peek of what my vanity actually looks like. It's pretty dark, but it is a hot mess. So you see I have all my palettes thrown on top. Please pray for me. This is also what my vanity is looking like behind the scenes. So don't judge me. Like I said, I want to do a decluttering this and reorganizing this because there's a lot of products that I pulled from my drawers that I have in my closet, which I don't have many. I've limited a lot of my makeup when I moved in with my boyfriend. So I only have like 4 of the container storage drawers in my closet with all my extra makeup, and I pulled some stuff out and I never like replaced the other stuff. Like I didn't make more room for the new stuff that I pulled out recently, so that's why it looks like this. But yeah, rant aside, let's just take all the palettes out. Alright, so my primers, I'm taking my Becca Backlit Primer and my Professional. Also, I already have my face oil packed up with the stuff that I'm putting in my check luggage. But for my moisturizer, I'm going to put this, I can put it in my checked bag. So this is the moisturizer I'm taking, and then I do have a facial sunscreen as well to put on underneath because it's gonna be really hot. I think I'm gonna take my Morphe foundation, so I'm just gonna slip that in there, and then my L'Oreal Infallible just in case. And then for my concealer, if I can find it, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible as well, and then I'm going to take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer as well. And my powder, where is my powder? This is my favorite powder at the moment, so pretty much got my face, right? I got my foundation and I got my concealer and my primers, important. And then for my powder, I'm taking this guy. Of course, my Hoola bronzer, my go-to. I'm going to take the mini guy too. I use that for my nose contour. And then I'm going to take a palette for my blush. Which one? I think I'm going to take my mini Morphe if I can freaking find it. Okay. I really love this palette. It is 3 blushes and they're all kind of like peachy toned blushes. I really love this one right here called Boss, and it's just a matte blush. And then this one, Unapologetic, is a little bit darker. I never use it, but I have used Fierce before, especially when I've forgot highlighter. But I do have a mini Fenty Hustler Baby highlighter in here already, so I'm just gonna leave this in here. I'm gonna take this for my powder, for my blush. I'm gonna take another highlighter, I believe, and I think I'm just gonna take my Desi Katie Chasing the Sun. Oh, my MAC Painterly paint pot is necessary. I barely have anything in here. This is my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. I went to Ulta yesterday and completely forgot to buy this, but I'm gonna take that little bit that is in there. I should probably take my eye cream, a mini setting spray that I'm going to refill and take to put in my purse because it is going to be so hot over there. I think I'm going to take my Hangover RX primer as well. Okay, so I'm just finding everything at the bottom of my drawer is what is happening. So I'm going to take that. I need to remember to take a setting spray. This is no more. I'm going to take this to do after. Okay, I'm going to take my Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner. I'm just skipping stuff over here. I don't know what palette I should take and if I should just take one. I will take my Desi Katie Friendcation palette for sure. And then I am doing a lot of pink and black. So I think I will take my Just Peachy Matte. I think I'm gonna do my Sweet Peach actually. I do need a bronzer. I'm gonna take my Lorac Pool Party, which is an oldie but a goodie. Ooh, I do need my mascara. Oh, my brow product. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Dip Brow, my Goof Proof brow pencil, my Gimme Brow, and then my Highbrow. Okay, I need to figure out what lashes I'm bringing and find my lash glues. And then I need to figure out what lip colors I'm gonna take. So I'm gonna go figure that out. Alright, so I decided on taking this pack of Ardell's because I have no idea which one I want to actually wear. And then these 2 pairs of Cocoa Lashes, which is one is Misha and one is 501, I believe. And then these lip products. So I'm sticking with the nudes. I'm taking Kylie Moon, Anastasia Ashton, Kylie Kristen, Light Gloss, Malibu, and then this pretty orange called Where My Peach Is At from the Too Faced Peach collection.